Good day, sir, ma'am. I am Cherry Ann M. Verastigue, your event manager from City Events. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present our proposal. Today, I will walk you through our company profile and how we can bring your vision to life seamlessly. Sir, ma'am, City Events is a professional event planning company established in January 2018, and we are based in McKinley Hill, Taguig City. Our strong edge lies in our attention to detail, personalized approach, and full service event management from concept to execution. We specialize in creating elegant, meaningful, and memorable events tailored to your vision. What sets us apart is our commitment to heartfelt service and excellence in every event we handle. We are located at McKinley Hill, Taguig City, which is highly accessible from key areas like BGC, NAIA, and Makati. This allows us to efficiently coordinate with suppliers and venues within Metro Manila and nearby areas. Our accessibility is one of our advantages in ensuring smooth event operations. At City Events, we offer end to end event solutions, including planning, coordination, styling, and supplier management. Our edge is that we provide complete personalized services, ensuring everything is handled by one professional team. This gives our clients a stress free and seamless experience from start to finish. Sir, ma'am, we cater to a wide range of events from weddings and birthdays to corporate and community events. This versatility allows us to adapt to different client needs and event styles. Our experience across various events strengthens our capability to deliver successful outcomes. We are supported by a dedicated and structured team, each handling specific departments. This ensures clear coordination, accountability, and smooth execution of your event. With this system, we guarantee that every detail is properly managed. We have successfully handled multiple events such as weddings, debuts, corporate conferences, and private celebrations. Our edge is our consistent delivery of high quality events and satisfied clients. These experiences allows us to confidently manage our event with professionalism. Our strengths include creativity, strong planning, and reliable supplier networks, which ensure high quality service. While we may face challenges such as manpower during peak seasons, we address this by partnering with trusted suppliers and expanding our team when needed. Potential threats like weather or emergencies are turned into opportunities through our prepared contingency and crisis management plans. This ensures that your event will still run smoothly despite any unforeseen situations. We prepared a formal proposal for your event, outlining our concept, services, and overall plan. We honor that you have chosen City Events as your partner. This marks the beginning of a collaborative and successful event planning journey. For your event, we recommend the Grand Ballroom in McKinley Hill, which offers elegance and accessibility. We also proposed a premium catering service to ensure quality dining experience for your guests. Both selections are aligned with your event requirements and guest expectations. For your event, sir, ma'am, the date is on December 18, 2026 from 3:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. The venue will be at the Vineyard Inn, Silang, Cavite. The theme is rustic elegance with an expected of 150 to 180 guests. The concept is rustic elegance, combining natural elements with elegant details. This design creates a romantic and intimate atmosphere. Our edge is in translating your vision into a cohesive and memorable experience. The decor will feature a soft lining, natural textures, and elegant formal arrangements. This setup enhances the theme and creates a warm and visually appealing ambience. We ensure that every design detail aligns with your vision. The layout is designed for smooth guest flow from entrance to ceremony, dining, and celebration areas. This ensures comfort, accessibility, and an organized program flow for your event. We prepared printed, digital, and VIP invitations to suit different guest categories. This ensures convenience while maintaining elegance in presentation. We offer thoughtfully selected souvenirs as tokens of appreciation for your guests. These items serves as lasting memories of your special day. We have structured a detailed program flow to ensure a smooth and engaging event experience. Each segment is carefully timed for seamlessly execution. We offer flexible food packages to suit your preference and budget. This ensures quality dining experience tailored to your guests. The venue, the Vineyard in Silang Cavite, provides a scenic and accessible location. It offers a perfect setting for your event concept. Sir, ma'am, we have a structured timeline covering planning until post event. This ensures that we have more than enough time to prepare and finalize every detail. We will guide you every step of the way. We have a complete crisis management plan in place. This ensures preparedness for weather, technical issues, or emergencies. Your safety and smooth event execution are our top priorities. The total proposed budget for your event is 1 million pesos. This budget covers all essential event components to deliver a complete and high quality experience. Sir, ma'am, City Events is a fully registered and legally compliant company established in 2018. Our permits and certifications ensure that you are working with a legitimate and professional service provider. You can be confident that you made the right decision in hiring us as your event manager. We offer flexible payment methods including bank transfer, e-wallets, and credit card. Our payment schedule is 50% down payment and 50% 1 week before the event. This ensures convenience and transparency in all transactions. Thank you very much, Sir, ma'am, for your time and consideration. Once again, I'm Cherry Ann M. Verastige, your event manager from City Events. We look forward to creating a memorable and successful event for you. Thank you, and we hope to work with you soon.